cosines is right there.
Is there an easier one like in the book, or is this one?
Is it? Okay, yeah, I know. It's just long and ugly.
Is that cosine?
Yeah. It's the law of cosines because there's a cosine there.
And that'll give you A.
That will calculate the value of A.
Oh, so it says A squared.
So you have to square the root of when all of
Right.
this stuff is done?
Mm-hmm. Or you could also be given side length A,
And told
And
by
just switch it up.
calculate the measure of angle A,
right?
right? Because there's only one angle A here. So if I was given A, asked for angle A, I could do that as well. It just end up a cosine inverse. So
If you were given
Okay.
side length A, could you find side length B? Is that formula?
side length B
If you weren't given.
is already,
If you weren't given.
if the angle was right here.
If it wasn't there. Like if you had that same setup.
You have to have
You have to have the angle.
this
of the
set up
cosine
here.
Oh.
within the-
Okay, so in this example, B is 9, C is 5. Cosine 120. It's an arithmetic problem at this point. Okay. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay, so 81 plus 25 plus 90. What's cosine 120, you unit circle experts?
Oh, cosine of 120 would be negative 1/2.
Anybody agree with them?
Yes.
So that's, what does that give us? Negative 45, right?
Yeah.
61? So A is the root of 61. Do I need to worry about the positive or negative?
No.
No. Yes. Yes.
No, yes? Yes,
Yeah.
no.
You have-
Which is it?
Yes.
Yes.
Square root, not cube root.
You always do.
Okay,
Wrong.
it's an angle measure, or it's a side measurement.
So it's
Do we
never
ever
gonna be
measure
negative.
things in negative?
No.
No, you
No.
don't.
So
That'd be silly.
theoretically in math, we should put a positive or negative here.
We're just putting.
But it's an example of measurement, so positive is the only one we need to worry about, right? All right, so there's your angle, our measurement of A.
Dude, that's delicious.
Oh, we have more time than I thought. My clock is stuck.
It is 9:26.
Time is standing still. You're going to spend the rest of your lives in math class.
Yeah, I'd did it myself.
No.
I think I'd rather be here than be
True. I'd rather be an AP.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so,
I fall asleep like every day.
I think I fixed it.
I like how this
Wait,
one.
fix it.
That's what it is.
Oh, I fixed it government.
I'd rather be an AP.
oh, dang it.
There is another equation.
No, there's not. I wrote it down wrong.
Oh my god.
Okay, change one little thing.
What? Oh,
It's minus. Okay.
So your whole
Okay, now we're done. Sorry. Yeah, it's minus. I saw a plus and it's not a plus. Oops.
What? What?
You
It's
wrote the equation
minus.
down
Oh.
This is what happens when I don't have things memorized.
So
This is one of the
all
few things I
that.
don't memorize.
That's why.
Kellen,
on the final, will we be able to write this stuff down? Or
you're gonna have a blue sheet.
We do get a blue sheet?
You do?
Yeah, they're right there. I'm gonna give them to you
there. Do we
today.
get a full one or just a half?
Nope.
Can we
The
get both
usual.
sides?
Get one side of the whole piece of paper. You get two of them. No, half the, no.
We get one side of a
You
half.
get the usual.
Yeah.
We have Google.
Okay. Do you want me to show you an example where we find an angle measure?
Yeah.
No?
I do.
Okay, I will. Okay, let's say that Which angle do we want to find the measure of?
7.
7.
All
7's on an angle.
B.
B, okay, measure of angle B. So calculate the measurement of angle B. Right?
M means angle.
Measurement of angle B. Okay, what you have to remember with this, if you're writing them down, that's fine. If it's angle B or side B, that's how they match up on this one.
Don't you have to have one angle?
Right.
though?
So this would be a squared, c squared.
What is it?
No, we don't. We have 3 side lengths. We can calculate an angle measure now. Right. So B, side B, cosine B will always go together on the outsides. The insides will be A and C. Okay. Now you can plug everything in and do the math. Are you good there? Are you good to there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so 49, 16, and 81.
107. What? Yeah, you're right.
Oh, yeah.
I'm like starting to get worried. Am I hallucinating? Yeah, again, right? Thanks for that, jerk.
So you subtract 97?
Yeah.
So that means, I don't want to do this. I'm going to say that's negative 30.
49.
We're just doing algebra now, right? Solve an equation. So subtract the 97. Now we're going to do what? Divide by negative 72.
So 48 over 72 equals cosine of B.
Yeah, what's that decimal?
Let me find that for you right now. That is 0.6 repeated.
Okay. How do I calculate B?
You do.
Chance.
Would you do inverse cosine?
Are you?
Oh, that's a bad
How
number.
do I calculate the measurement of angle B?
That's why you
Would
would.
you do inverse of cosine? Yeah, you
Yeah,
would.
you would.
48.194.
Thank you, Chance. Sometimes you do this and you need to do this. Okay, so yeah, you need the cosine inverse of, yeah, whatever. Okay, so what is B? Good. Anybody? Calculator?
My calculator's dead.
Your brain's dead.
Today it is.
Needs a new battery.
Every day.
You want me to give it a jump start?
Yes. You got tomorrow?
Nobody? Calculator?
48.1?
48 point.
Oh, I was asking him.
I can't hear because everybody's being loud. Thank you. Okay, so you can calculate angles or side lengths with the law of cosines. Okay? There is one more triangle formula for area.
What?
It's pretty, okay, it's pretty drawn out. S, this is the area of a triangle based on the side lengths.
We already have.
Holy crap.
Yeah, so your first step is to calculate S. It's half of A plus B plus C. plug it in, and plug in A and B and C in the formula, and calculate.
Wait, if we already
Pretty-
have that one formula, why do we need this one?
The other formulas involved one angle or three angles. So one of the formulas was two sides and an angle.
I thought we had.
Another one was a side and three angles. This is all three sides, right? And we also have base times height, so there you go.
I thought we had one that was just. Well, you can find it. You can find it.
Yep.
But we didn't use
Wait.
that. Figure out the.
This is different than law of cosine.
I thought we had the one that was, oh, that's when you have all the angles, never mind.
Yeah. Okay, so just another way to calculate triangle area. I'm gonna let it ride. Dang it. Got all my paper printed today. I'm behind. Okay. Questions? Keep it basic on the law of cosines.
You know what?
Law of tangents.
Is it going to go already?
Pretty close, that's close.